everyone, welcome back again to my channel. My name is Folakemi. How are you doing today? If this is your first time, thank you for stopping by, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by today. Today I'll be talking about the digestive system. Do you know what happened to your food when you put it in your mouth? Do you know the process the food go through before you can actually pass the waste product out? Today I'll be talking about this. The digestive system is made up of the digestive tract and some other organs that helps break down and absorb food. It is a long twisted tube that starts from the mouth and goes through the esophagus and into your stomach and through the small intestine and it head at the large intestine. The vital organ that help along the line is the liver, the pancreas, and the gallbladder. The digestive system breaks down food into nutrients such as carbohydrates, protein, fats, minerals, and water. They can then be absorbed by the small intestine so that the body can use it for energy, growth, and repair. The unused material goes into the large intestine where it is discarded as your stool, your feces. Each organ of the digestive system has an important role to play, starting from the mouth. In the mouth, you have your teeth that helps you to break down food by chewing and breaking the food into smaller pieces. And there's some glands in your cheek and under your tongue, which is called the salivary gland. They produce saliva. And this helps to mix the food so that you can easily chew and swallow it. After you swallow the food goes into the esophagus. The esophagus is a short tube. It's a short connection from the mouth into the stomach. There's a muscle right before the stomach, and that remains closed until food is ready to pass through. People with gastroesophageal reflex have weakness in that muscle, and food from the stomach start coming back into the esophagus, and that is what causes heartburn. So the food move from the esophagus into the stomach. In the stomach produces what they call gastric juice. The gastric juice is very, very acidic, and it further breaks down the food that is being swallowed and liquefy it. The food stays there for a while, then it moves into the small intestine. The small intestine is divided into two parts. The upper area is the duodenum, the middle portion is the jejunum, and the last portion is called the ileum. The gallbladder releases bile into the upper section of the small intestine so that food can further be broken down. The pancreas also releases some enzymes that further breaks down protein, fats, and some vitamins, and this helps with digestion. The other portion of the small intestine really works on absorbing all these nutrients that has been broken down so that the body can make use of it to produce energy, to produce nutrients. After that, the food moves from the small intestine into the large intestine. The large intestine is divided into the cecum, which is the first portion. The colon is divided into three. The ascending colon, which goes up, the transverse colon, which is the middle portion of the colon, and the descending colon, which is the last portion of the colon. last portion, and there's also a S part called the sigmoid colon. From that, it connects to the rectum. In the large intestine, water, mineral, salt are being absorbed so that the other waste products can form stool. This is where the stool actually forms. This is where the large intestine is where the stool forms. So the waste products move into the rectum and stay there until you're ready to have a bowel movement. There is also a sphincter, which is a muscle that opens and closes so that when you're ready to move your bowels, the poop can come out easily. Some problems that affect the digestive system include GERD, like I said earlier, when stomach contents go back into the esophagus. That is also called heartburn. Also, constipation, diarrhea, diverticulosis, hemorrhoids. All these affect the digestive system. I hope this short teaching has enlightened you more on what happened to your food when you put it on into your mouth and how you make stew. Till I see you again next time, I remain your friend, Fola Kemi. Have a good one. Bye-bye.